Hi everyone, welcome back to HowtoLogin. I'm back with another video on how to download Kiwi Bank application on your iPhone. If you'd like to get access to your online banking account right from your iPhone, then you'll need to download an application first. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your App Store first and then go to the search box at the top and type in Kiwi Bank and search. Soon after you do that, in the search results, you'll be able to find the application displayed. Tap on the Get button right next to the app in order to begin the downloading process. Before beginning the downloading process, always make sure you are connected to a strong internet, whether it is your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Once you have a strong internet that is working, then simply tap on the Get button and your application will begin the download. Once it is done, tap on Open to launch the app open. That is how you'll be able to download Kiwi Bank application on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.